10 low-competition YouTube channel ideas, niches for YouTube automation. Welcome to our channel, where we explore the world of YouTube automation and uncover niche ideas with low competition. If you're looking to start a YouTube channel but aren't sure where to begin, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to dive into 10 niche ideas that offer great potential for success while minimizing competition. Let's get started. Hey there, YouTubers! Are you tired of struggling to find your place in the crowded world of YouTube content creation? Well, fret not. Today, we're going to explore 10 niche ideas that are perfect for YouTube automation. These niches offer plenty of room for growth and success, without having to battle against heavy competition. So, whether you're a seasoned content creator or just starting out, stick around to discover the perfect niche for your YouTube channel. Are you ready? Grab a pen and a paper to note it down, and let's get started. Niche 1. Vintage die crafts. Are you a fan of all things vintage? Consider starting a YouTube channel dedicated to vintage DIY crafts. From upcycling old furniture to creating retro-inspired decor, there's no shortage of creative projects to share with your audience. Niche 2. Urban gardening tips. Urban gardening is a growing trend, and there's a demand for practical tips and advice. Share your knowledge on topics like container gardening, vertical farming, and urban permaculture to help city dwellers cultivate their own green spaces. Niche 3. Pet training for uncommon pets. While dog and cat training channels abound, there's less competition in the niche of training uncommon pets like rabbits, birds, or reptiles. Share your expertise in handling, training, and caring for these unique furry, feathered, or scaly companions. Niche 4. Kitchen hacks for busy parents. Parents are always looking for ways to simplify meal prep and cooking. Create a YouTube channel focused on kitchen hacks and quick, family-friendly recipes tailored specifically for busy parents juggling work, kids, and household chores. Niche 5. Remote work productivity tips. With the rise of remote work, many people are seeking advice on how to stay productive and organized while working from home. Share your insights, tools, and strategies for maximizing productivity in a remote work environment. Niche 6. DIY home renovation on a budget. Home renovation can be expensive, but it doesn't have to break the bank. Start a YouTube channel dedicated to DIY home renovation projects that are budget-friendly and accessible to DIY enthusiasts of all skill levels. Niche 7. Minimalist lifestyle inspiration. Minimalism is a lifestyle choice gaining popularity worldwide. Share your journey towards a minimalist lifestyle, including tips in decluttering, simplifying, and living with less. Inspire others to embrace minimalism and find more meaning in life with fewer possessions. Niche 8. Travel vlogging off the beaten path. While travel vlogging is a popular niche, there's still room for channels that focus on off-the-beaten-path destinations and unique travel experiences. Share your adventures, cultural insights, and hidden gems from lesser-known travel destinations around the world. Niche 9. Fitness for seniors. Senior citizens often face unique challenges when it comes to staying active and healthy. Create a YouTube channel dedicated to fitness tips, exercises, and wellness advice tailored specifically for seniors looking to maintain their mobility and vitality as they age. And the last niche is mental health and self-care for millennials. Mental health awareness is on the rise, particularly among millennials. Start a YouTube channel that explores topics like mindfulness, self-care practices, and coping strategies for managing stress, anxiety, and depression in today's fast-paced world. And there you have it, folks. 10 niche ideas with low competition that are perfect for starting a YouTube channel and automating your content creation process. Whether you're passionate about vintage crafts, urban gardening, or remote work productivity, there's a niche out there waiting for you. So, go ahead and take the plunge into YouTube automation. Your audience is waiting to discover your unique perspective and expertise. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more tips, tricks, and inspiration on growing your YouTube channel with ease.